Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here. Today I'm bringing you a new video. If you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video. But anyways, guys, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing the last piece for Thomas Sport conversion kit on his E92 335i, which is going to look super good. It's the back bumper. It's already been painted. It comes with a little plastic diffuser that Tom is going to replace later on with a carbon fiber one, so I can't wait for him to order that. I'm about to go ahead to his house and we're going to take a difference between the old bumper and the new bumper, and you'll see the whole difference that it's going to make with the Sport conversion kit. So super excited, guys. Let me head down to Thomas' house and I'll pick up the vlog then. These are the 4 stars Thomas got in the last video, so if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. But as you can see, Thomas got the M3 hood. We found that for a good deal for $300, and they will also paint it, which the paint's not in the very best condition. You can see some scuff marks, but Thomas is gonna get this painted very soon. He got the Sport bumper, and I believe he's gonna take those splitters out because they are kind of scraped up, and Thomas is gonna get a GTS lip. And also, Thomas is not doing the side skirts, but the last piece he needed for his Sport conversion is the bumper from the back. I don't know if you can see, that bumper just looks straight up ugly. It's missing that cap, and if you go really close to it, you can see like paint drops, scratches everywhere. These sensor holes are all messed up. So this bumper is pretty much done. So we're probably just gonna go ahead and throw it in the trash when we finish installing it. And plus, so you can see, I just did a little pour and it's coming out pretty easy. So let me go ahead and show you the new bumper, guys. It looks much better. And Thomas also want to go ahead and install that carbon fiber diffuser that the bumper is designed to have a diffuser. So yeah, guys, this bumper is really ugly. Let me go ahead and show you the new one. Okay, guys, so it's pretty dark to see it, but this is the new bumper. As you can tell, there's no drip. The paint's perfect. Shout out to the paint guy. As you can see, the only difference is it has this little design right here, and then the place to put the diffuser, which like I said, Thomas is gonna be putting a carbon fiber diffuser later on. So yeah, this bumper looks much better compared to this OEM bumper, which has nothing in between here. It don't have that little design, and you can tell close up right here that this paint is in bad condition. No cap, the sensors are all messed up. So okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that came with the bumper. This is the diffuser, the plastic diffuser that they came with the bumper. They also gave us this little piece which we painted. We gotta have it 3M to the bumper, and also they gave us all new hardware with thread lock and all the stuff we need for the bumper conversion. So shout out to ECS Tuning for providing all this. Like I said, it won't be too hard. We always replace bumpers, but this is gonna be the most satisfying one, since this bumper is the most messed up bumper we have ever replaced. And plus, Thomas' car looks really good, but this is the only part that is not 100% like perfection. So once we install that bumper and have the carbon fiber diffuser on, this thing's gonna look super beast. And I think that's pretty much all Thomas want to do for the exterior. Maybe the last thing, like I said, probably upgrade to a GTS lip and some carbon fiber side skirts. But that's pretty much it. Now Thomas is gonna go full bolt on with a tune. So expect that to come very soon, now that Thomas got the back bumper on. Okay, guys, in order to take out the bumper, there's like 3 8mm bolts on the inside. There's about like 12 in the bottom, and there's like this bolt that goes in here, but this bumper don't have it. And also we gotta take a tail light, because I believe there's like some clips or bolts inside the tail light. Same thing on this side. Remove the bolts on the inside. It's pretty much easy, guys. It shouldn't take more than 20 minutes to do. And that thing looks ugly. I can't wait to see how the bumper is. But I was not expecting to take the tail lights, but we do gotta take the tail lights out. So let me go ahead and start taking everything apart, and I'll do a little time lapse. Alright, guys, now that we got the tail lights out, all you gotta do is unclip these little clips that are in the tail lights. I'm gonna go ahead and take out this other tail light. I already loosened all the bolts from the bottom and from the sides. As you can see, we didn't have nothing for the sides, but I already got this tail light loose. All we gotta do is take out these clips out, and the bumper should come out all in one piece. So let's get it. Alright, guys, so this is the old bumper. As you can see, like I said, it's all ugly. It's kind of faded versus the new bumper, which is very shiny. We're gonna go ahead and install this little part, which was primer too, but it just go like that. And we're gonna go ahead and put the plastic diffuser right on, just to see the difference between how the regular bumper will look versus the aftermarket bumper with the regular diffuser, if you don't want to run the carbon fiber one. So let me go ahead and put this diffuser back on, and we'll see how it looks. Dang guys, look how good this looks. Now you can see the comparison between the stock bumper versus the MTECH bumper. Thomas is also waiting for the carbon fiber diffuser. Like I said many times, it's supposed to be getting here this afternoon. It might be tomorrow morning, so that's why we just slapped this one on, because we don't want to ride without a diffuser. But that bumper looks so gorgeous compared to this ugly bumper. That looks really good. Damn guys, I don't know if you can already tell, but this thing looks super good. Me and Tommy just had a crazy reaction how good this bumper looks. We just got it mocked up right now with this clips under the taillight. We had to take the taillights out, but we better go ahead, snap all the clips on and put all the bolts on first, guys. This is super easy mod to do, guys. It takes maybe less than 40 minutes. I don't know how much I got recorded, but damn, that ass looks so fat, guys. And Thomas also finally named the car. The car name is Black Panther. It's a pretty dope name, rip to Chad. But dang, that ass looks fat. Dang guys, this bumper made a huge difference. That diffuser looks so good. We just checked about the carbon fiber diffuser, and it is arriving today, so we're gonna go ahead and start it in just a second when it arrives. But guys, this car looks so good. The fitment is pretty good too. Look, everything lines up right here. Shout out to ECS Tuning for this perfect fitment, guys. Dang, especially with that wing. That looks so good. Especially it's gonna match when Thomas get that carbon diffuser with the carbon wing. Damn, let me go ahead and start bolting everything back up and putting on the taillights and give you a complete view of the new look from the rear. Alright guys, so it's been like 2 days since I recorded the last clip. We thought the diffuser was gonna get here on the Saturday, but it ended up getting here on the Monday. So this is how the bumper looks like. I'm about to go ahead and show you the carbon fiber diffuser, but the difference between the diffusers is that this stock Sport diffuser is in 2 pieces and the carbon fiber one is in 1 piece. So let me go ahead and show you the carbon fiber diffuser. It looks really good, guys. Sheesh. So this is the new diffuser, guys, and now that I'm looking at the carbon fiber diffuser, there is a difference. This one got 3 fins and the stock one just got 2, which is gonna look a lot more aggressive. I can't wait to install this, guys. Let me go ahead and take out that diffuser and get a side-by-side comparison. But dang, that carbon fiber look good. Okay guys, since it's an aftermarket part, it's always gonna have like that weird fitment. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. First I'm gonna clip it from the middle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work my way up on this side and then work on that side. But you gotta make sure it clips. Let me try and see if I can clip in this one. Okay guys, it's been a couple days since I recorded the last clip. I know this video been everywhere, but this light time saving thing got me all screwed up. But anyways, let me show you the diffuser, the carbon fiber diffuser. The only reason I didn't record a lot, because I did run into some problems. As you can see, I don't know if you can really tell, but I'm kind of a little OCD. You can see that little gap in there, and it's not the same gap as this one, but that's overall the fitment's pretty good. Me and Thomas are at this new part that we just found, and we're gonna try to take some cinematics and pictures for his Instagram. So make sure you go follow Thomas. I'll leave his Instagram down below. But let me go ahead and show you how the carbon fiber diffuser looks. Let's go.
Depot on the beat.
right, guys, well, with that being said, with the cinematics, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Let me know what you think about Thomas' back bumper. I think you definitely need to upgrade the back bumper if you got a E92 335i or a 328, because they do sell the diffuser for the single exhaust. So let me know what you think down below. Also, I did say in the beginning of the video, Thomas is not gonna get the side skirt, but Thomas just ordered them, so we might upload a video with the side skirts, putting the extensions carbon fiber too. So let me know if you want to see that. I also installed the carbon fiber lip on the F30, and I got some new wheels coming in, but I don't really want to record the process with the F30 because I just want to keep it off of YouTube. I just want to keep it off for my pleasure. But let me know if you guys want to see that anyways. I might just upload a video here and there with the F30. But guys, this carbon fiber diffuser and the bumper made a huge difference. Thomas' car is actually 100% perfect. The only reason Thomas ordered the side skirts was because he cracked it like a couple days ago, so that's why he got the M3 side skirt. So let me know down below if you want to watch that video, guys. But with that being said, it's been Savanch's Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.